Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy, Total Bravo Raging Bull, back at you with another video. So, a few weeks ago, I hit on a raffle on sneakers and stuff for these in the UK. So, I happened to win the privilege to cop these sneakers. So, shout out to Sneakers and Stuff for sending to me to the States. So let's get right to it. Y'all know from this box right here, pause and read it for yourself. So it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG 555088 and the color code 081, black, crimson tint, white. Retail on these is $160, but with shipping from the UK to the States, I paid total $170. So let's open the box. And voila, crimson tint ones. So I slept on these on release date, which was a while back. So as you can see, it has spare laces, the forest green, or I don't know which green it is, and so peachish pink. And boy, I'm really feeling the color in these. See the leather here, the leather here. Everybody says that this leather feels kind of stiff, but I'd rather have this stiff leather than the soft tumbled leather, you know. And the leather here on the ankle support system. And so we have a neoprene sock liner here. You have Nike Air here in the insole with black with the pink insole, and it's already laced up with black laces. You can see. Let's see what this standard shoe tree. You can see the toe box is a little stiff, but with time it's gonna wear in. So you can see here the tab is Nike Air with in pink with the black tab, black tongue here. So this is the summer shoe. If you're gearing up for the summer, I highly recommend these. So let's check the other shoe. So same exact thing. Let's check the insole. Jordan 1 insole. The crimson. But let me know what you guys think. Did you cop or you drop on these? Like I said, I slept on these release date. So let me know in the comment section if you guys picked it up or not. And if you guys think it's a sleeper, if you guys think it's trash because of the leather quality, I want to know. So that is it for this video. I will be doing a double up or triple upload today, so if you guys see me in the same shirt and hat, don't mind. So thanks again for tuning in. See you guys in the next video. Total Bravo out. Deuces.